This message is not for everyone because not normal, but the ones who understand more beyond. This is a message, but for everyone actually, because we understand karma consequences of the actions that we do. This that we are going to experience from these 7 tribulations is the consequences of our bad actions, bad thinking, bad mouthing, and actions, and the consequences of our ancestors' actions also. It's the generational curses. If we would stand to do something about it, it's the end. That's why it's the end of the world also. So for those chosen ones to bring different from inside the family, work, status, any kind of, or this life as being person, we have to be strong because we are the ones who will suffer differently from the others because we understand different and something beyond more. That's why we even experience this kind of crisis, spiritual and physical, because we are all lost. Instead, this that knows better, like a person or a country that knows better in spirituality, instead of spreading the teaching, they cast it away. Then they implement a lost law, rules, and forgot those kinds of teaching. Then we see the consequences this generation is. Everything has its consequences. The actions that we do, we think we know better. But when the time comes, we will suffer from the consequences. And if the leaders will not stand to do something about it, whatever they do to help their community, basing on physical materialistic world only, on those books, knowledge, and not considering spirituality, everything they do will lead to destruction only. Chaos and end of the world. So we have still a free will if we will start to do it or not. So who is that leaders? Those higher status, especially governments. The greed that they do from the very beginning until now is the consequences of what we are experiencing as being community in this world. Those laws, rules to gain money and based on greed. Every person even is the consequences of what we are suffering today. That's the message that I got. If you think you're suffering because I'm always complaining of why that I'm already free but still suffering of other people's consequences, because you will still suffer, because so you are staying on the earth. Yes, you are free, but once that your surroundings will not do something about it, anywhere that you will go, even though you even change a community, a place to stay, you still suffer, because no one will stand to do something about it. I went there, experienced something. Of course, the consequences is still there. Because the community or the person, even though you will stand, are we only few to stand to the change that will come? Soon, the prophecies that they are saying that only few only will belong, and mostly people will not belong, means the natural meaning, which is only few will live and mostly will die. The literal meaning itself, if we wanted to understand, they will start to die spirituality until they will die physically. Well, I'll say that DIE. Do you want that part? Because we have no more choice this time. The judgment is already there. The purpose is already open. Everything. The portal's already open. So we that give messages, if you don't believe, it's up to you, because you have a free will. We are only giving messages and a choice for you. What will you choose? Because you are the ruler of yourself. You are the leader of yourself. No one is controlling you. If you think, because of these messages that we give, it's like controlling you. No. The self, which is the ego and pride, that controls you. That's why it's like you are suffering from the message, or you're irritated, or you're hurt, or you're angry, as your ego and pride bring down first. You have to do the emotional knowledge, that emotional crisis, then gain your identity through that identity crisis. So I have already said the messages. Good luck to us. Well, be strong. Even though if we are thinking it's hard, yeah, it really is hard fighting. Especially if you're the one who awakened first, or starting to awaken. And we are still few. Good luck to us and God bless. Put your burdens in our Father God, Lord, and always pray. Start that relationship to build and believe on it. Not just using its name, but nothing. That's hypocrisy, right? So good luck again, and God bless.